Hey guys, this profile pop-up is for Abhishek. Now you've got a decent picture here. I would zoom in a little bit more because I want to show you a couple big things here. See how little we see of your picture? Also, you have a lot of competition. A lot of the people here have the same name, exact same spelling. You notice the one person third down, he has the G, the middle initial. That's a good idea. Also notice we only get 2.5 of your words of your headline, and you're also starting with a hash or a little hash symbol there. So I would suggest leading off with the goal you're doing with your MBA, okay? Like finance and marketing, what you think you're going to do with that, right? Finance and marketing, I don't know, I'm drawing a blank, but something with that. Or maybe even say finance and marketing MBA candidate. And you could start off with something like that. Now, that's going to give us a much better picture, especially if we're looking at all this competition here. We see finance and nobody else has that on there. So that's going to be a good differentiator, because that's ultimately what you need to do is you need to stand out. Now, in your About section, you talk about welcoming us to your profile, which is really nice. I love exploring, facing challenges. Now I'm pursuing the MBA. So tell us a little more. That's all we see there now. So tell us a little bit more. We kind of got that same idea from your headline. The About gives you 2,000 characters to really give us a feel for what you are all about. Now, even though you're not working, in your experience section, you're going to want to put as many keywords as you can in here and as much as you can to describe what you're doing in this role, even if it's not an actual job and even if it's the internship. And then likewise, even in your education that you have here and in your skills, keep adding as much as you can, okay? That is going to get you better positioned for searches and getting you found. Also, you can change your URL. And you're going to want to turn off the competition. Like we saw there minutes ago, there's another reason that you're going to want to stand out. Anyway, hope that helped. Ask me some more things in the comments. Would love to get into it more, but I wanted to keep this a little bit shorter. Have a great one. Thanks, guys.